Hello and welcome back to Simple Learning. So, how was your exam today, children? I am here with your Semester 1 examination paper PDF and I'll be sharing the answers with you so you can check your score. Don't get disheartened कि कुछ अच्छा नहीं हुआ या some of the questions were tricky. Actually, it was a very, I must say, a very easy paper as far as MCQs were concerned. Yes, there were a little tricky ones in the type of language that was used, but I think with practice, you can do better in the second term as well. So do not worry. Anyway, this was a beginning and you still have one more term to go. So let us discuss the answers and you can check your score. All right. So the first question, the Lok Sabha session, which is conducted in the months of November and December, नाम से ही पता लग जाता है it is the winter session, right? Question number 2. Dash motion allows the House to take up a definite matter of urgent importance. It is the adjournment motion. Question 3. Which of these denotes the correct composition of Rajya Sabha? It was very smartly put because normally आप याद करते हैं कि इतने nominated and you may be asked how many nominated members and all, but यहाँ पे पूरा दिया हुआ था just to confuse you. They have given so many figures which may confuse you and checking your ability to observe and remember things easily. So it is 238 elected and 12 nominated. So thankfully, they did not ask you the composition of Lok Sabha because that has recently changed and there was a confusion. So, the board has been quite considerate in giving you questions which were kind of easy, but yes, as far as MCQ pattern is concerned, they made it a little challenging so that, you would try to give the correct answer, and that would be checking your powers of observation, your skill, that you are paying attention to details. So that was the only thing in this paper. All right, बहुत बच्चों वाला बहुत easy question. What is the quorum of Indian Parliament? You know it is 1/10. Question 5. Which of these statements regarding the speaker is false? So the answer is that the members of both houses vote to choose the speaker. दोनों नहीं करते हैं because he is the speaker of Lok Sabha. तो खाली लोक सभा ही करती है. Next question. The Rajya Sabha is called a permanent house because 1/3 members retire after every 2 years. Which one of these is considered to be an exclusive power of Rajya Sabha? Exclusive power of Rajya Sabha, इसमें कुछ powers ऐसे थे जो राज्य सभा के थे, but they are not exclusive powers because they can be powers of Lok Sabha also, right? So which is the exclusive, means जो सिर्फ राज्य सभा में हो सकता है, that it can empower the parliament to make laws on the state list. Next, in case of a conflict between center and state with reference to a subject in the concurrent list, very easy it was. See, if it is in the concurrent list, you know that in India the central government plays a more important part, so the union law will prevail. Chalo, next one, question 9. The right of the members to dash is known as interpellation. Any teacher would think that they will ask you what is interpellation, but they made it so easy. They gave you what the word interpellation and they gave you these options. If basically you've learned the definitions, it was very easy, children. It was the right to ask questions. Asking questions is known as interpellation. Which of the following statements about ordinances is false? तो ये ध्यान देना था. अगर आपका कहीं शायद गलती हुआ होगा, maybe because you didn't read, it is asking for a false statement, and regarding ordinances it was. So यहाँ पे confusion था where some people might have lost marks, and that is that it has to be approved within 6 months. This is wrong. It has to be approved within 6 weeks from the reassembly of parliament, not 6 months. So this was the error, and this is the false statement regarding the ordinance that you had to find. Which of these is not a qualification required to be a member of Rajya Sabha? Well, I don't know what to say, but there is no qualification that he should be a graduate from any university in India, which is actually a debatable thing. But yes, this is no qualification. He should be a citizen of India, not be an insolvent, should be at least 30 years of age, is the qualification. not a qualification that he must be a graduate from any university in India. Question 12. Complete the given analogy. Election of Lok Sabha member is to citizens of India. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है, मैंने आपको specimen paper में भी बताया था, that you have to see the relation. That means the citizens of India elect the Lok Sabha member. Then who elects or who takes part in the Rajya Sabha members election? तो कौन part लेता है? Rajya Sabha is, I had told you previously also, Rajya means state. And in every state there is a legislative assembly, but in all the states there is no legislative council. तो ये लोग नहीं select कर सकते हैं. It is always members of legislative assembly. But if you have done your specimen paper correctly, तो ये आंसर सिर्फ ट्विस्ट करके आया है. इफ यू नो दैट मेंबर्स ऑफ लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली elect the members of Lok Sabha, you would be, elect the members of Rajya Sabha, you would be able to do this. It was actually very easy paper, children. I hope most of you have done well. All right, Lok Sabha members from states are 530. Then how many Lok Sabha members are from the union territories? अब ये वो चीज थी where you know that there are 550 members, elected members. तो फिर union territory से 20 ही आएंगे. अगर आपको वही confusion था कि 552 होते हैं तो आप 22 को select कर लेते, but there are only 550 members, or anyway if you've done the composition correctly it was 530 plus 20, so 20 members are from union territories. Next one, question 14. Under what circumstances may the term of Lok Sabha be extended by 1 year? Very nicely they have given the questions, children. They have made it a little tricky also, but they have also actually given you the easier way to deal with these questions, because they have not really asked you that what happens during the proclamation of national emergency. उन्होंने खुद से ही आंसर दिया है, बस इतना पूछा है कि ये कब होता है. So when is the Lok Sabha extended? It is during the proclamation of national emergency. Which of these does not refer to the control of parliament over the executive? Amendment of the constitution, that has nothing to do with the executive as such. Controlling the executive means controlling them through no confidence motion, monetary cuts and rejecting their bills. But amendment of constitution से executive को control करने का कोई relation नहीं है. So that does not refer to controlling the executive. Question 16. Who was founder of Indian National Congress? It was A.O. Hume and not Dadabhai Nauroji, because A.O. Hume is considered as the founder if you've seen my video and you have done that properly in your preparation. It was A.O. Hume. Dadabhai Nauroji suggested that the name be changed to Indian National Congress, but A.O. Hume had started the process, so he is considered as the founder of Indian National Congress. Question 17. Complete the analogy again. Non-cooperation movement. ये तो बहुत ही easy था. I think I don't need to even tell you. 1920. So civil disobedience movement was 1930. Which of these statements is not associated with Jyotiba Phule? He established the Brahmo Samaj, because I for detail, that is what they are checking here. He established the Satya Shodhak Samaj, but he did not establish the Brahmo Samaj. So it is false. Which of the following statements about early nationalists is false? अर्ली नेशनलिस्ट थे तो आराम से अगर आपने पढ़ा है, इट्स नॉट असर्टिव नेशनलिस्ट. सो फॉल्स क्या है? दैट दे वांटेड टू लॉन्च वायलेंट एजिटेशंस अगेंस्ट द ब्रिटिश. A very basic paper, children, right? When was Bengal partitioned? 1905. See, I had told you in my videos that you will not get the exact date to be remembered. तो अगर आपने उस पर टाइम वेस्ट नहीं किया तो I'm really glad. If you've seen my videos, I've told you कि सिर्फ ईयर आएगा, and that is what happened. ईयर ही आना था. They would not ask you exact date, because the dates sometimes become controversial because they are differently printed in different books. So, there might be a confusion with the answer. So, at least the year is correct. They asked you the years, right? So, jaisa maine bola tha, after my training, I had told you these things will come. If you followed the videos and if they have been helpful, I would be really glad that you will get good marks, right? Question 21. Which of the following was a nationalist perspective of the partition of Bengal? अगर ये ध्यान से समझा आपने, nationalist perspective, that means nationalists, Indian leaders, Indian nationalists, early nationalists, assertive nationalists, क्या सोचते थे पार्टीशन ऑफ बंगाल के बारे में. Definitely, it was very easy if you understood the question. They understood that it was to divide Hindus and Muslims. From the given list, identify the objective of Muslim League. This also I told you in my Muslim League video कि एक ही पैराग्राफ है बच्चों, पर वो जरूर आएगा because from every lesson the questions will come. तो मुस्लिम लीग का भी वो ट्विस्ट करके देंगे. तो उन्होंने तुमसे पूछा नहीं कि क्या था क्या नहीं था. They have given you one objective among others and they have asked you which one was the objective of Muslim League, right? So it was to promote among Muslims of India support for the British government. तो बहुत ही easy था. I mean, this was really good. Replace the underlined word and correct the statement. Surendranath Banerjee presided over second session. No, it was Dadabhai Naoroji. 24. Which of these statements is not associated with Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Not associated. 1919 में हुआ था. Correct. General Dyer was responsible. Correct. It became a cause for non-cooperation movement. Correct. Then it would not become a cause for civil disobedience movement also. अब confusion क्या था? जिस बच्चे को नहीं ध्यान होगा कि वो किस movement का cause था, they would be confused here. So deliberately to confuse you, they've given these two options and you should be very clear that it was not a cause for civil disobedience movement. So it is not associated with Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Khilafat movement was started under the leadership of Ali brothers. What was the cause for sudden suspension of non-cooperation? Chauri Chaura incident. How did the Lahore session of 1929 lead to civil disobedience? Because the declaration of Purna Swaraj was passed. What were the causes of the Quit India movement? Failure of Cripps mission and Japanese threat. ये भी हमने क्विट इंडिया वाले अपने वीडियो में किया था अच्छे से, that you must know the causes and then the programs and then the effects of a movement. Which of the following is not a clause of Indian Independence Act? कल मुझे बहुत सारे messages आए थे and they had said मैम it's really helpful and I really harped upon this issue and I have told you कि बहुत सी इजी चीजें हैं रिमेम्बर करने के लिए इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्ट में, कि जो भी डिविजन्स वगैरह होने थे, एवरी चॉइस वाज गिवन टू द इंडियंस, राइट. आप ये बोलें कि आर्मी एंड एसेट्स वुड बिलोंग ओनली टू इंडिया एंड नॉट टू पाकिस्तान, दैट दे वुड नॉट से. सो ये सब गलत है. दैट इज, इट इज नॉट अ क्लॉज ऑफ द इंडियन इंडिपेंडेंस एक्ट. सो दे हैड सेड दैट आर्मी एंड एसेट्स वुड बी divided among the two dominions as per their wish. तो आपको यहाँ पे easily find out करना था and you would have found out that army and assets would only belong to India. ऐसा कोई clause था ही नहीं उसमें. It was actually a choice given to both the dominions. Identify the famous slogan of Subhash Chandra Bose, give me blood and I shall give you freedom. Which of the following was the reason for the acceptance of Mountbatten Plan? ये भी मैंने कल आपके वीडियो में आपको थोड़ा सा आइडिया दिया था, कल परसों के वीडियो में. When I made that video, I told you Mountbatten Plan को accept क्यों किया कांग्रेस ने. So that they had asked. और यहाँ पे बहुत confusing options देके उन्होंने पूछा था क्यों accept किया. That is because the only alternative to partition was a federation with a weak center, and this was a key phrase and I had made you mark these phrases. अगर ये phrases और keywords पढ़ें in ICSE, they are very important and they lead you to the answers. और when you are writing a subjective answer, maybe term 2 में आप subjective answer लिखेंगे, तो ये phrases use करके आपको marks मिलते हैं. So focus on these. Which of the following was an objective of Indian National Army? Again objective, confuse करने के लिए और 2-3 mix कर दिए. And then it was total mobilization of Indian manpower and money for a total war. और यहाँ पे objectives किसके mix कर दिए? To formulate and present demands to the government. That was objective of early nationalists. To make the world aware of true nature of British rule in India. Again objective of early nationalists. To establish a home rule in India. Again early nationalists, assertive nationalists. So basically 2-3 objectives को mix करके they have asked you. Then there was this India Today article about the first war of independence, right? यहाँ पे आपको पूरा मंगल पांडे के बारे में और ग्रीस कार्टेजेस के बारे में बताया गया. Rebellion was the first one where it spread. So all this is given to stimulate your remembering of the chapter itself. Identify the immediate cause of the above revolt. Immediate cause. इमीडिएट कॉज क्या था? ये सारे कॉजेस थे, बट देन इमीडिएट क्या था? इमीडिएट था जो एकदम से स्टार्ट करता है उस चीज को. सो इंसिडेंट ऑफ ग्रीस कार्ट्रिजेस वाज द इमीडिएट कॉज. Which policy of expansion led to annexation of Awadh? Which policy of expansion? There was policy of expansion like subsidiary alliance, doctrine of lapse. ये भी expansion की policy थी. Pretext of alleged misrule कि यहाँ पे rule अच्छा नहीं हो रहा है, so the British are taking over. So alleged misrule was the main policy which led them to annex the area of Awadh. Which of these is a social religious cause of the revolt? Taxing religious places. और इतना इजी दिया बच्चों, सोशो रिलीजियस कॉज और टैक्सिंग रिलीजियस प्लेसेस ही दे दिया. सो यू नो दैट इट इज वन ऑफ द सोशो रिलीजियस कॉजेस. यहाँ पे कुछ कंफ्यूजन का था ही नहीं, बिकॉज डिके ऑफ कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज भी इकोनॉमिक में आ जाता है, ड्रेन ऑफ वेल्थ भी इकोनॉमिक में आ जाता है, और इकोनॉमिक रिसोर्सेज भी इकोनॉमिक ही है. तो फिर यहाँ पे आपका सीधा ही आंसर था टैक्सिंग रिलीजियस प्लेसेस. The British showed total disregard towards the soldiers. Now, in this context, which of the following statements is not true? सीधी सी बात है, they were never given salaries equal to the British soldiers. So they were given same salaries as British soldiers. It is not true. Photograph, I was really afraid कि किसी एक leader का photo आया which will be confusing with the face of the other leader. Then you might be confused. But that this was a picture I think which you could easily recognize. It is Bal Lal Pal. तो बाल लाल पाल से भी आप रिमेम्बर कर लेते तो easily you have written, I think most of you might have done it. Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, because Bal Lal Pal उनको बोला जाता था. Which group of Congress did they belong to? Assertive nationalists. What was their main objective? It was attainment of Purna Swaraj, because they said that Swaraj is their main objective. What were the methods associated with them? Swadeshi and boycott. Prayers and protests were the methods of early nationalists, sending deputation of Indian leaders to Britain, petitions, prayers, protests, ये सब अर्ली नेशनलिस्ट का था. तो यहाँ पे ये क्वेश्चन पिक्चर बेस्ड है, पर आप अगर रिकॉग्नाइज करेंगे पिक्चर को तभी आप आंसर कर पाएंगे. सो इफ यू हैव रिकॉग्नाइज दैट इट वाज assertive nationalists, then only you will recognize that their methods were Swadeshi and boycott and not the others. Right? So that is all about the paper. I hope most of you might have done well and my videos have been useful to you. Second term ke videos ke liye, we will start working on the second term very soon. You have more exams to take. So I wish you all the best for the remaining exams as well. यहाँ से आप अपना score check कर सकते हैं children. And I hope many of you have done well. कुछ गलत थोड़ा भी हो गया है तो don't worry, because you still have another term to go and you can better your marks in that, right? So take it as a learning step and move forward. I'll see you in my next video then. Thank you very much and happy learning. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. So when we have more than 1,000 subscribers, we can even have some live sessions where we can discuss question answers, doubts and everything. All right. So thank you very much for being here and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.